आज हम 6th चैप्टर का पार्ट 3 करेंगे जो है डिवाइडिंग अ 4 डिजिट नंबर बाय अ 1 डिजिट नंबर. You know how to divide 3 digit number by a 1 digit number. Now we will divide a 4 digit number by a 1 digit number. So first the example is 9825 divided by 6. So first we look at the first digit to 6, which is 9. Then 6 what's are 9. Now the closest to 9 would be 6, which is 6 ones are 6. Then we minus them, is 3. Then we bring down 8. Now 6, what into 6 is the closest to 38? That would be 6, because 6 are 36. Then we minus 8 minus 6, which is 2. We bring down the next digit, 22. And so on while we move the last digit to bring down, and when we minus it, the remainder which we get is 3. Now we will do an assignment to understand better. 625 divided by 5. 6745 divided by 5. So here 5 is the divisor and 6745 is the dividend. So let's start with the first number, which is 6. 5 into what? 5 into what is equal to 6. Now the closest would be 1, which is 5 ones are 1. 5 ones are 5, sorry. And then when we minus it, you will get 1. Then we bring down the next digit, which is 7. So we bring down 7. Now 5 into what will be closest to 17? That would be 3, because 5 threes are 15. So we'll write 3 over here. And then below it we'll write 15. Then we have to minus 17 minus 15. 2. Then we bring down 4, so it becomes 24. So when we bring down 24 again, 5 into what will be the closest to 24? That would be 20, because then 25 would be more than 24. So then we'll write 5 fours are 20 and minus 24 by 20. So here we'll write 20. Now 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. So then we bring down 5, which is the last digit, and we write 5. Now 5 into what is closest to 45? As we revise our multiplication tables, we get to know that 45 is exactly divisible by 5. Exactly divisible का मतलब होता है कि ये नंबर 5 के टेबल में आता है. तो 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Therefore, 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. And in this sum, there is no remainder. So we'll write this. Now 5. So 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. So our answer is 1349. Next we will do 2391 divided by 6. तो हम अभी सब नंबर्स को राइट करते हैं. तो डिविडेंड होगा 2391 एंड डिवाइज़र होगा 6. अभी हम डिवाइड करेंगे. तो पहले फर्स्ट नंबर जो है 2. अब 2 is smaller than 6. That's why we have to take the next number, which is 3. So 23. अब 6 into what is closest to 23? That would be 18. So 6 threes are 18. अभी हम करेंगे 23 minus 18, which is equal to 5. 5. Then we will bring down 9. We will bring down 9 and write 9, 59. So now 6 into what is equal to 59? If we revise our tables, we'll get to know that is 6 into 9. 6 nines, which is 54. So 54, and then we'll write 9 over here. So now we'll minus both of them, which is 5, and now the last number we'll bring down, which is 1. Then we will see which number into 6 is closest to 51. That would be 8. So 6 8s are 48. And we'll write 8 here. So 51 minus 48. 51 minus 48 is equal to 3. So in this case, the remainder is 3, and the quotient, which is the answer, is equal to 398. Now we'll do 2 more of these sums, which is the 6th one and the 9th one. So 3599 divided by 8. 3099 divided by 8. So the first number is 35 because 3 is too small. So 35. So when we look at 35, 8 into what is the closest to 35? That would be 4, since 8 fours are 32. Now 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So we'll write 3 over here. And we'll bring down 9, which is the next digit. Now again, the answer would be 4, because 8 5s are 40, which is bigger than 39. So 5. Now we will do 39 minus 32, which will be equal to 7. Then we'll bring down the last digit, which is 9, and then the last number of the quotient would be 9, because 8 into 9 is equal to 72. So we'll write 72 here, and up we'll write 9. So now the last would be 79 minus 72, which is equal to 7. So the remainder here is 7, and the quotient is 449. अभी हम 9th वाला सम करते हैं, जो है 7320 डिवाइड बाय 6. यहाँ पे डिवाइज़र जो है बाहर वो 6 है, एंड जो बॉक्स के अंदर होता है वो 7320 है. अभी let's start. First number is 7. Now since 7 is bigger than 6, our number in the first quotient would be 1, because 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Now we'll write 6 here, and then we will do 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. अभी हम next number जो है 3, उसको हम नीचे लेके आएंगे. So now we will write 3. So that makes 13. So then, which would be the next number that we would write? It would be 12, and hence the answer would be 2. So 12, and then we'll write up 2. Now we will minus 13 minus 12, that is equal to 1, and then we will bring down the next number, which is 2, again 12. So then 6 2s are 12, and hence now we are getting the perfect answer, which is 0. So we'll write 2 over here again, and then 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, and then we bring another 0 down, and so that does not count, so it's just 0. And then 6 into what is equal to 0? 6 into 0 is equal to 0. So we'll write 0 up. So the answer is 1220, and the remainder is 0. So that makes 7320 exactly divisible by 6.